I'm right now in a live trade on one of these meme coins. I actually went over this meme coin yesterday saying that if it hit my exact area, I was going to get into a trade. I'm now up nearly 20% already into this position. I entered just over an hour ago. And now we're looking to get back to this $5 million market cap. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do each and every single day to find these profitable meme coins. I'm going to show you my trading strategy. I'm going to show you exactly how I get in and out of these coins. I'm even going to show you exactly here on BonkBot how I actually trade these meme coins using this Telegram trading bot. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. Let me show you exactly why I wanted to get into this coin here. The coin is Capri on Sol, and as I explained in yesterday's video, it's very, very clear that this level was acting as a very strong resistance. Consistently, as price came into this level, we were rejecting. So you need to understand that this price level is going to play a very consistent zone in the market. So right here, very strong resistance, but what eventually happened? We got a massive breakthrough of this level. We went from a $2.5 million, we cranked up to nearly 7.5 million, basically 3xing in a super short amount of time. So I understand that this zone right here, because of these strong resistances, look how many times we hit it. 1, 2, and even you can nearly count all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We hit this zone so many times, so it just shows how consistent it's going to be once we actually flip into the support to resistance zone. So now when we come down into this zone, I was saying yesterday, price was actually trading all the way up here. And I was saying that I need to be patient. I understand the zone that I want to be buying, and I need to wait for it to come down here. And as soon as I woke up this morning, I opened Capri as one of the first coins, because I'll show you exactly what I do each and every day to actually find these coins. I opened, and it was right very close to my zone, and I thought, oh my god, perfect. It's right now coming back to this support to resistance level flip. This is going to be an absolutely fantastic coin to get into. It perfectly fits my trading strategy. I can put a really good risk to reward on this trade, and if I can just trade it back to this $5 million market cap and say get out at least 75% of my position, maybe just leave a small percentage, even 10 or even 15%, just in case it gets back to that 7.5 or even 10 million mark. But overall, I'm looking to get out a really big portion of my position at this $5 million mark. I entered right here. It was about 3.3 or 3.2 million, and overall the gain for that would be around 45%, so very close to a 50% gain in literally 2 hours. You're basically making a couple of $100 in literally 2 hours of trading. It's absolutely crazy. This current meme coin market is going absolutely insane. That's why I have my meme coin mastery that I just created for you in the video description. It is 50% off, and I teach you everything you need to know to trade these meme coins like an absolute master. Now let's actually go through my strategy of how I find each and every coin in the market. I go through it and I open sometimes 20, 30, 50 different coins to find the particular coin that fits my exact trading strategy. So as always, first thing we do, click on deck screener. Let's just start absolutely fresh on the home page. We come over to Solana because we only want to be trading Solana coins. This is the #1 blockchain right now for meme coins. Also want to be seeing this, make sure it's on the last 24 hours, and also this trending, we need to click it over to 24 hours because it's usually actually default selected to 6 hours. The next thing that I do is either go through the last 24 hours and go by the coins that are going absolutely crazy. So you can see up 3 million%, 800,000%. Usually what I start as a coin is up at least 50%. And then I'll open up all the coins from 50% and up. So you can see that would roughly around here, it's around 45 coins that I'd actually be opening and going through each and every one. Sometimes what I also like to do is go by the 6 hour because I want the coins that are just trending as I wake up in the morning. And you can see all the coins here, there's a few less. So right here, up say 40 or 50%, there's only 15 coins. So I would do both each and every morning. I'd start on the 6 hour, open up all of these 15 coins, see if there's any opportunities. If I don't find any, then I'd move over to the 24 hour, or if I did find one, I'd then look to set up the trade and either wait for it to hit my exact zone or it potentially could be ready to get into the trade. I don't like to trade multiple meme coins at the same time. It makes it very, very hard to keep track. They're moving very, very quickly. Just like to keep track on one coin, and rather than trade many, many coins, increase the position size slightly. So here, let's start with 6-hour trending coins. We'll go down to here where we started around the 40%. So we'll open up all of these 15 coins. I'm actually going to go through because many of these coins are not going to fit my particular trading strategy. That's why every single morning, it literally just takes me 5 or 10 minutes to go through all of these coins. You think, oh, 15 coins is going to take me forever to go through and analyze. No, because I'm looking for coins that are instantly, when I look at them, they're already instantly set up for my strategy. Look, you look at this coin, it's got nothing. It's went up, it down, it pumped, it dumped. This is not a coin that I'm interested in. Move on instantly. It took me 5 seconds. This coin, not interested. Move on. Okay, this coin, let's have a look. Only launched just 5 minutes ago. Everything's going up. This is probably not a coin I'm interested in. Let's move on. This coin right here, definitely not a coin I'm interested in. Definitely not a coin I'm interested in. Okay, with this coin, we do have something a little bit more interesting. The main thing that I really would be looking for, again, is that support to resistance flip. I love these breakouts when we break out to all new time highs, and then we'd come back to use this zone as an actual support level where we break above, then come back. But right now, again, it's not setting up. This could be potentially one that I'd keep to the side and say maybe later on today it could actually set up. But again, right now, not set up. When I instantly look at these coins, the ones that I want to be trading, literally already I'm looking at it and instantly I can already see, okay, these are the zones that I want to be trading. It's very close. That's the coin that I want to be trading. I don't need to be looking at it and saying, what type of trade can I make out of this? No, instantly when you look, you want to be seeing, okay, it's already set up for your type of trade. You don't want to be really trying to force a trade. The trade needs to be already set up. So look, all these different coins are not just looking good right now. Okay, this one might be interesting, but again, I'm always looking for those breakout to all-time highs and then coming back to those support to resistance flips. Right now, we haven't got that in the market. We'll move on. We haven't got that on this coin. We'll move on. Not a good-looking coin. You move on. See how quickly you can actually do this? Within 5 or 10 minutes, I've gone through 50, 60 coins, and within those 50, 60 coins, I can easily find 1 or 2 that have actually got one of my trading setups actually perfectly. So right now, you can see some of these coins are just actually launching. We'll go down to a shorter term time frame. Something like this would be good, but I don't like these type of bait where you just instantly rock up. This support to resistance flip makes a little bit less sense. I like when you actually get these nice bases and consistently, and then you say, okay, we've got 3 zones in this level. Then you get the breakthrough support to resistance flip. Move on from this coin again. We're looking for a coin that has my exact setup. And as I said, when I opened up Capri, bang, it already hit my setup. Look, it's already up another 6%. When I look at this, I can instantly, I'll scroll out and I can just see instantly, bang, it's exactly my setup. I just needed to be patient because yesterday it was trading up in this area and this morning it traded right in the zone that I was finally looking for. So patience is very much key for these meme coins. Much as they're moving massive, massive percentages, you need to wait for them to come into the right buy zone, and then you get these big spikes back. From 3 million to 5 million, bang, you get out, you make 50% on your money, and then you look for a new coin. Makes so much sense. So again, a lot of these coins, this one makes a little bit of sense here. I am already in a trade, so I wouldn't get into another one. But again, this one is starting to set up a little bit better. We do have resistance. We do have resistance. We've got the break above resistance, now potentially using this zone as support. Again, it's not the most perfect setup, but this would definitely be one that I actually would scroll to the side. I'd keep it on my chart and actually say, okay, this one isn't perfect, but actually out of all the 15 charts that I've just looked at, it's the best one. So we'll just keep it on the side. We're not saying we're going to get ready to trade it. We're just keeping an eye on it because it's potentially setting up to that perfect support to resistance flip. Again, even this next coin, we'll have a look exactly what's happening. Probably really not one that I'm really interested in. Look, it spiked up to $7. I'm not really interested in this type of trading. If I actually went over and copied the contract, there's probably something wrong with the contract. So there we didn't find a massive amount of coins. Some days there's not always going to be a crazy amount of coins. Here we are going to go through a massive quick amount here. So you're going to see me spam through a lot of coins. There's 47 coins I need to quickly go through right now. Might not show you every single one in the video, but overall I'm going to be showing you this is what I do every single day. The first thing that I do as soon as I wake up, this is how I'm finding all of these coins. I need to be finding the exact technical analysis type trading coins I'm looking for. And obviously I want to be trending by coins that are actually moving right now in the market. Don't want to be trending by coins that are down 50 and 60%. I want to be trending by coins that are up 2,000, 1,000%, 900%, because that usually means that they've broken through their all-time high, potentially coming back to that support to resistance flip, Then we look for that continuation to the upside. So let's quickly go through a lot of these coins. You're going to see me spamming through, but this is exactly what I do each and every day. That's why I'm showing you right now. One of the first coins right here, come and have a look at. It's not really something that I'm super interested in. One thing that I do see right here is there is that consistent resistance all in this area. Potentially could come back down, use it as a support. But then when I'm actually scrolling out, there's a lot more resistance higher. There's a lot more resistance higher. So it's not really going to push out to all-time highs. Again, not something completely interested in. Okay, this coin would look interesting. Really what I'd be looking for, again, is a breakout above this level. Resistance, get the breakout, come back support. This would be my entry at the 2.5 cent mark. Then look to come out, maybe even to this 5 cent mark here. So this would actually be a coin that I'm saving. This would probably be one that I might actually have to trade tomorrow, like I looked at Capri. I looked at Capri yesterday. I saved it because I thought, if this comes down, this is a really strong support to resistance flip, has a very high probability. So I really want to be trading this coin. And very similar here, because you can even see this resistance, even you get one more up here, you get 3 touches. That's going to increase my probability. I'm actually going to come over here. I'm going to bookmark this coin and come back to this. I'm going to look later today. I'm going to look later tonight. And tomorrow morning when I wake up, it's going to be one of the first coins that I look at. Next, we look at another coin. It is starting to bottom out and starting to get a really nice turn. But again, I'm looking for those support to resistance flips, mainly when we get the major breakouts to all-time highs. Not what I'm seeing right now. Again, this coin slightly setting up. Again, this support to resistance flip. I need a breakout above this level, then come back, support to resistance flip. Could be something that I'm saving. Doesn't look as good as the last one. We'll move on to the next coin. Okay, these type of coins that just move straight up definitely don't interest me. Usually a scam type of contract. Again, this coin, again, setting up some type of way where we do have a bit of resistance here. What I would wait for for the breakout, then get that support to resistance flip. I'm actually going to save this coin. Save it for later. Will be a coin that I'll come back later tonight, later in this afternoon, and also tomorrow morning, because the setup is right there where we can have that consistency of that zone where once price gets the breakthrough and we come back into that region, would have a decent probability of coming back. Even here, okay, we're actually having a decent one right here. Definitely a resistance right through here where we have one zone, two zone, and even here, 1, 2, 3, 4, they consistently tried. So right here would be a decent coin to look at. We've got a consistent resistance. We've now got the breakthrough on this last 4-hour candle. We then would want a trickle back down, come back into this zone, then get that continuation. Again, I'm going to bookmark this coin and actually come back to later, because it looks like it might take a little bit to actually set up. Since we were just looking on the 4-hour time frame, here on the 1-hour time frame, it might take a little bit to set up. But look how perfectly these zones are. Resistance, resistance, resistance. When we come back into this zone, where am I going to be buying? I'm going to be buying at the support to resistance flip. Even we have another coin right here. This one is interesting. It does have resistance, resistance, resistance. We would want that breakthrough, support to resistance flip. But also this does fall into another trading strategy where we're basically in a form of a trading range where people are looking to buy low in the bottom 25%, looking to sell high in the top 25%. We are really low basically in this bottom 25%. So it would be actually a smart trade to take with risk to reward on this trade. Look to actually buy right here because we're really low, and actually just sell even back at this level right here. So you risk maybe 10 to 20%, look to gain 40 to 60% on your overall trade. So this would be something I could look to trade right now, but wasn't already in a trade. Another coin here starting to sell up. We had this major run, absolutely crushing it. We're now at an $86 million market cap for this coin right here. When I am looking, the next zone really would somewhere be right in here, a support to resistance flip. I would again save it for later and actually come back to it. This zone would definitely hold as some type of support to resistance flip, even for a quick 20, 30, or 40% trade. So again, it's not set up. We're quite high. We're at this 10 cent range. We need to come back into this 5 cent range. Again, just want to keep an eye, something I'll come back to later. Even this coin here, again, setting up. You just want to be instantly looking and saying, okay, where are the zones that I want to be buying? This is a resistance zone. Want to be getting the break up, come back, support, into this zone. Again, these coins haven't set up yet, but tomorrow I could be having 10 or 20 trades because all of these coins are going to be setting up. So right now I'm just doing all of my homework, going over the trades, bookmarking the ones that are smart, and just going through. So I have 40 different coins to go through. It takes me 10 minutes to go through each and every one, and bang, I have all my trades set up for the day, for tonight, even tomorrow morning. Makes it really, really easy, makes it really, really simple, makes trading the easiest way possible. Even right here, you can see support to resistance flip. Consistent resistance, consistent resistance, consistent resistance. When you get the breakthrough, where did we support? Right in that zone, got a major push above. Support to resistance flips, absolutely love this trading strategy. Works really, really well, works extremely well, especially in this marker of meme coins. This would be another zone right through here. Consistent resistance, be a coin that I'm actually going to save. And then I'd probably look to back to sell in here. So I'd buy in the 0.7 and look to sell in the 11 mark. So just trying to make quick 35 to 50% on this trade. I'm going to save it for later because if it comes into this zone, it's going to be a coin that I'm interested in. We've got another coin that did exact support to resistance flip. Look, right here, resistance, resistance, resistance. We eventually got that breakthrough. Look at the zone that people were buying in and look at the move that already happened. 160% to the upside. When we start to bounce off this zone 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, it makes it less likely that it's going to hold. That's what I teach you in my trading masterclass. But overall, once it bounces the first time, you got a very good likelihood of a major bounce to the upside. Once it comes back a second time, overall, you're not going to get major bounces. You can see right here why the support to resistance flips are just so effective in the market. Resistance, 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 initial resistance breaks through, acts as support, 150% move to the upside. And we continue, we're finding coins that are not interesting, not good, not good. Look at the difference of the coins that I was just showing you. These are not the same looking coins. No, not interested, not interested. Look, when you look at this coin and you compare it to the coins I was just showing you, that's why I'm opening up 40 coins. You're going to find plenty of coins like this. You're going to find plenty of meme coins that are looking exactly like this one. But it doesn't look any good. It doesn't fit any trading strategy that I'm interested in. It doesn't fit any type of good probability strategy. I can't put a good risk to reward. I can't. Look, it's just, it makes so much sense to open so many coins and find the right ones. I've found 5 or 6 different coins. I'm already in a trade now for Capri. I might find a better trade later on tonight, get into another trade. And tomorrow morning, I might have 2 or 3 trades because of all these coins are already setting up. Again, just need to be consistent. Going through, spending a bit of time, doing your homework, and you can see exactly, I'm showing you how you can find these profitable coins consistently, find your right trading strategy, and then just find coins that fit your exact trading strategy. Don't try and force a trade. There are so many different trading strategies out there. You need to find the one that works for you. And you don't want to be forcing a trade. Even here, there's no support to resistance flip. It was, but the support to resistance flip needs to come off the latest all-time high, not off these old highs that are breaking up, and breaking up. So again, it doesn't fit the strategy. If it doesn't fit, move on. Look, this is a dump. We got no liquidity in the market. Get out. Move on, move on, move on. Makes it so easy, so simple. Trade your trading strategy. So after going through all the coins, I've got a large basket of coins that I'm going to be keeping track of right now throughout the day. And obviously I'm in a trade right now. I'm very, very close to my overall exit target. We can come and actually have a look. I'm right now up 25% on this trading position. Look to get out around that 45% gain. Definitely looks like it's going to hit there. If we start to get a little bit of a downturn, right what we just saw, I'll definitely start to exit and actually trail out of my position. But I do think that there's a decent probability we come back to this $5 million market cap, and then we do begin to have that downturn in the market. Let me update you a little bit later on today as I actually scale out and get out of my position right here. Okay, I'm now out of my trading position. We finally have hit our target, and we can see when we scroll out, this has been a fantastic trading position. These continuous resistance. Look at the resistance support flip that we have got. These levels are very, very consistent in the market. That's why I'm consistently trading using these meme coins, using these support to resistance flips, as I showed you continuously. You can even see the transaction here, sold at just nearly 4.31 million market cap, very, very close to where this blue line was, where I was expecting. As soon as we got that big candle up, put the transaction through, had to just wait a second, and we're finally out. Each and every day, we're being very, very consistent, back to back to back with these meme coins. Make sure you stay up to date with all of the latest videos, because I'm going to be bringing out videos each and every day. And also, people have been asking me to keep my trading meme coin mastery at the current price. So I've kept it at this 50% price for just a little bit longer. So make sure to check it out in this video description and the comment section. I teach you everything you need to know from start to finish to do exactly what I'm doing here each and every day in this current cryptocurrency meme coin market.